Today we will see how to create a datum features, coordinate system, point, axis, datum planes. Similarly, how to create the datum curves. Along with that, we will see swept blend. Okay, now we will see in Creo, file, new, part, give the part name, okay, select the unit, okay. Switch on, default orientation. Now see, this is the default coordinate system and these three planes are default datum planes. First we will see how to create one more coordinate system by referring this coordinate system. See, this is the datum features. Select the coordinate system. We have to pick the default one for reference. From this, see, we can create coordinate system using these methods: Cartesian method, cylindrical method, spherical method from file. We will see one by one. Cartesian means x, y, z offsets we have to give. For example, x 100, y 100, then z 100. Q. Okay. See, our new coordinate system offsets in the 100 mm from x, 100 mm from y, 100 mm from z. Then the direction of x, y, z is same. If we want to change x, y, z, then we have to go with the orientation, how much we need to rotate. By giving angle in this, we can rotate the coordinate system. Now we are not rotating anything. Give OK. This is the new coordinate system. This is the default coordinate system. This is the new coordinate system. Right pick, edit. See, in all, see, 100, 100, 100. Okay. Next we will see how to create the datum points. I am deleting this. Okay, we will see how to create cylindrical, spherical, these things. Create coordinate system, select the default as the reference, then instead of Cartesian give cylindrical. These things you already know. What is a cylindrical, what is a spherical? Radius means radius of the cylinder, 100 mm. Z, if cylinder, how much height from the base? 50 mm. Then one angle we have to give with respect to vertical, 45 degree, see, like that. Okay, delete. Datum coordinate system, select the default one, cylindrical, spherical from file. From file is different from this one. We will see this one from file. For that we need one file. See, before that I am creating one extrude, placement, define, and sketch view. I have created one rectangle, 25 mm, 25 mm, 50, 50, then this also 25. Okay, now I am going to create one coordinate in this point. Coordinate system by selecting surfaces. Pick this surface by picking control, select all three surfaces. Now we got x, y, z coordinate system. If you want to rotate, we can rotate also. Instead of x, if we want to change this as a y, then we can rotate and achieve that. So I am created one coordinate system here. See, if I delete this one, the coordinate is child for this extrude feature. So if we delete that extrude, coordinate system also will be deleted. But we need the coordinate system without that extrude, means we can create using the files. See, first we have to measure the distance between this coordinate, default coordinate, and created coordinate. Analysis, measure distance. This is the default coordinate, measure. See, this is the transform. Pick the transform, select the first coordinate system and select the second coordinate, first one. By picking the control, select the second one. See, using the transform tool, go to this one. See, pick this I. See, this is the distance x, y, z. Save this file, save. Okay, now the file extension is trf, info.trf. We cannot give different names. We can also give, see, save file info.trf. I closed this. We can close. Now just I am subtracting this. I am going to create coordinate by using that file. Model, coordinate system, select the default coordinate system. From file, see, info.trf, pick that one, give OK. Now we have created one coordinate by measuring the existing coordinate. See, now we will check whether both are in the same location or not. See, this one is by using surface we have created, and CS1 now we created using the file option. See, both are in the same location. Okay, using the file we have created. Now if we delete this one, okay, in assembly it will be useful. Top down assembly it will be useful. In later we will see the application. Now we have completed the coordinate system. Then move to point, datum points. See, offset coordinate system. Pick the coordinate, origin coordinate. Then pick the name. Name you can give P1, P2, any name we can give. Then X, Y, Z offset distances. X 100, Y 100, Z 100. If we need more points, just pick here. Then P2, 200, 50, 100. Third point, 300, 75, 0. Okay, see, these are all the 3 points. Right pick and edit, you can see all the dimensions. Switch on only the point. See, these are all the points. If you want to draw the curve, you can draw the curve through the points also. Okay, datum point we have completed. Then datum axis. We have a lot of way to create the datum axis. Only one or two we will see. Based on the application we can learn later. See, datum axis. By intersecting two planes we can create the axis. Just pick this plane by pressing Ctrl, pick another. We are getting the axis at the intersection. Give OK. If you want to give any name, you can give. See? Okay. This is the axis we have created. Through this point, normal to this plane, we will try. We have to create one axis passing through this point, normal to some plane. See, normal to the bottom plane. Give OK. We have to select both here. Okay. Similarly, we can create datum axis in several ways. Okay. Then datum planes. See, I am creating one plane by offsetting the existing plane. Just pick the datum plane. Pick the plane which needed to be offsetted. I am selecting the front plane. See, pick and drag this point to give the offset value, or we can enter also. Okay. This flip shows the front and back direction. See, this arrow shows the front direction. Just I am giving OK. See, this is the plane we have created. Front means, see, the color is brown. Once again I am editing. Now I am changing the direction. Okay. Now see, it's black. That arrow shows the front and back. This is offset. The datum plane also we can create in several ways. Now I am creating one datum plane by rotating with respect to axis. Datum plane. I am going to rotate this plane with respect to this axis by picking Ctrl, press the axis. See? Give the angle through this axis. Instead of offset, if we give normal, see, can through this axis, normal to this plane. Normal to this plane, we can give parallel or offset value. We can create. You have to try yourself. Delete. Okay. See, now we completed coordinate system, point, axis and plane. Datum curve. Default orientation. To draw the datum curve, we need datum points. If we want to create a datum curve in one plane, then we can go ahead with this sketch. If we need the curve in 3D, it is offsetted in X, Y, Z direction, means we can go with the points. For pipe routing, cable routing, this is the method. Datum curve. Select the points. This is the first point. Then select the second point. Okay. Then select the third point. If we choose the spline, it will come like that. Or if we need straight lines, select this one. But we have to give bend radius. Straight line. This point also change straight line. Point 1, point 2, straight line. Point 2 to point 3 also straight line. This sharp edge. If we need any radius, see, add fillet. In the point 2, add fillet. Give the fillet value. How much we need? We can give the fillet radius. Okay. Through this, we can draw the pipe or cable routing using the sweep option. Okay. We can do the swept blend in this also. We are going to see swept blend. For swept blend, we need one curve, number of sections, 2 to 3 sections we can join. We will see in this. Swept blend. references. Here we have to select the trajectory. This is the start point. If you want to use this as a start point, just pick and right pick, otherwise pick on arrow. It moved to here. Okay, this is the start point I fixed. Then this is the start point, this is the end point. Here we need one section, in the end we need one more section. In between, if we need some section, we have to add a point and create the section in that point. Now trajectory we have completed, one trajectory we have selected, then the section. Now we are going to create section here first. This is the first point, just this is the section 1, pick on that, give sketch. See here in the first point, this is the first point, here we have to draw the section. Now I am drawing one rectangle. This is symmetry. $50, $25, $25. Okay, this is the rectangle. All the section, how many sections we are creating, all must have equal number of nodes. Here we have 4 node points. This must be equal in all sections. One section with 4 node and another section with 5 nodes, it won't take. Q. Okay, now we have drawn one section. Then this is the next point. We have to create one more section. So pick insert section, pick the second one and sketch view. In the second point we are getting the crosshair. Now I am drawing one circle and breaking the circle into 4 pieces. Because this is having 4 entity, we needed to break the circle into 4 entity. Picking 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to break equally, draw center line and break. If you want to change the start point position, just pick on that, right pick, give start point. Okay, this start point and this start point will join. Give OK. See. Okay, in the first section, where is the start point, we will see. In the first we have start point here. In the second, and then the second section, in the first we have here, in the second we need to have here, then only we can connect this point with this point. Now this point is sweeping and joining to this point. We have to move the start point one step ahead. Sketch. See here we have to change the start point to here. Pick and right pick, give start point. We will get some smoothness. See? Okay. Give. Okay. This section, second one, we can rotate also. This is circular. Even if we rotate with respect to Z axis, no change. But anyway, I will rotate. These things will vary little bit. I am giving one 45 degree. See, now you can see the edge how it is rotated. Previously here, now 45 degree rotated. See, 0 I am giving. Preview. See, it will be like this. Now I am giving angle 45 degree. If we want, we can rotate also. These features are swept blend, variable section sweep. Application is very less in the design field. Rarely we will use these things, so no need to concentrate much. Whenever we need, we can learn and apply this on the time, but just we have to know, that's all. Then only we can use this where it is required. Okay, this is the swept blend. One more thing we can see now along with this, deleting this. Okay, we'll do undo. Now I am going to create one round. See, this one is a round. In the edge I am creating. This is the 5 mm round, for example. This is constant round. If you want to add more radius, okay, add radius. See, here and here. At one location we need 25. 25 is too much. We will go with 15. The another side we need only 10 mm. Like that. This is called variable round. We can add more radius. Instead of giving constant radius, for 15 means entirely 15, we can use this. Okay. Thank you. I think we have completed everything. Yes. Stop.